Today we are going to work with the large number cards and the golden beads, and we are going to do something called the bird's eye view. Okay, Mr. Daniel is going to lace the large number cards out for you. Watch me carefully. Sorry. And at your side, we're going to prepare for you the golden beads. Now, with this setup, which number comes first? Which number comes first? Yes, number 1 comes first. Can you take number 1 and place it here? How many golden beads for that number? Yeah, it's 1 golden bead. What number comes after number 1? Yes. I see you already know what to do with the golden beads for the next number. Can you go ahead with the next number? Seems that you already know what to do. You can work with yourself, you can work by yourself, and when you have finished laying out, come and tell me. And one more is 1,000. Okay, we have to stop here because 1,000 is the most numbers that we can do for the bird's eye view. You are now finished with the bird's eye view. You can take them and put them back into the golden beads boxes, and this one you can put it back into the large number card box, and then you can line it up again into the bird's eye view once again, and when you have finished, you can put them back on the shelf.